on our way to Don and Sherry Adams' place in North Carolina to pick up our Yorkie puppy. And it is raining like crazy. Just had lunch at, where, Dad? Where did we have lunch at?
I don't know. Chandra's?
Chandra's. Are you ready, girls?
Yeah.
How about you, Olivia?
I am ready.
You are ready to go. How was your sleep last night? How was the motel?
Good. I liked it.
You liked it?
I liked it.
How was the breakfast?
It was delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Yee-hee!
Be excited too.
You're excited too?
Been waiting for a month. Been waiting for a month.
Waiting for a month. Waiting for months since Christmas time.
Yeah. Arriving at destination. Yes, Olivia. Thanks for the GPS. You're welcome.
Old snap.
Yeah.
Here. It
Oh
was
my
like
goodness.
82 or something like that just a couple days ago.
Yeah.
And now I think the high today's going to be like 50 something. Tomorrow it may not even make it to 50.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're going to have a string of days coming up now that that's going to be cooler again. And I'm just glad I didn't put anything out in the garden. I was going to put
Right.
some things in. It was so nice.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, down where we're at, they usually say like put the 20th of March, you're safe from any freezing.
yeah, and normally that would be the case here, but we have a problem.
Sometimes
It'll
we can
frost. You know, it'll be a cold
cold
night,
again in March.
and it'll frost, and then it'll, like the azaleas, about the time they bloom, it'll frost and kill them all. You know, kill all the blooms. But,
Yeah. Now I got in the car and I was like, I
Sweet
should have brought a jacket.
yeah.
Here's the doggy. There she is.
Let her sleep.
Come here. Oh, she is a sweet girl. Oh. Okay. She done now. She likes tickles. I know, it tickles.
She
It
wants to
tickles
play.
She hasn't even had Caro syrup yet. Come here. Toro, come on, Toro. Toro, come on, Toro.
Don't let her push on your face though with her little paws though.
She not. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, baby. Okay.
Why don't you sit up, Olivia?
Come here. Gotta sit up. Because she gonna...
Little teddy bear. Plays with it. Yeah. It's a cute little bear you got. Cute. Very cute. She's already so housebroken. She peed on a little pee pad. And she peed in here. Sherry's amazing. Amazing dog breeder. She's already peed where she's supposed to pee.
Is that right? Yeah, that's right.
And she's only 12 weeks old. She's housebroken. She slept through the night in the cage.
She didn't whine one bit when we all
She
calmed
didn't
down.
whine. She was just amazing. Amazing little puppy.
She always stay.
Come on.
Come here. Puppy, come on. Come on, puppy. Come on, baby girl.
She did?
Tail's up.
She's so light. Drag her in here.
Oh, don't jerk too hard. Gotta let her win sometimes too, you know. Alright, so where are we at?
Vet's office.
We're at the vet's office. Here. This is the dog side, right, Olivia? And there's another big lab here. Oh, it's our turn. She did a great job.
So where do they take their temperature?
Uh-huh. They do the same thing for babies. In the same place.
Stick it in the butt?
Yep. They do the same thing for babies.
Oh, it's disgusting.
But notice how I didn't videotape that part.